Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Anna Vanila Arts. I am here to show you my brand new pullover. It's simply done with a rib stitch at the bottom. I've made from down upright, down up, not from the top down. And as you can see, the sleeves are simply made, but I didn't want to do something complicated. I wanted something quick and easy. And as you can see, it's got multicolored yarn in between the lots of other colors. Is made of wool. I've done the collar nicely and the sleeves and the bottom here. As you can see, you can have a look at the back, how it looks at the back. I hope you like it. This jumper I finished a while ago, so I was keen to make a video to let you know what exactly I'm doing lately in my productive knitting life. And have a look at this jumper. I hope you can do a jumper like this yourself if you feel inspired enough, and whether this jumper inspired you a lot to do something new. I have made another sweater. This is from top down, like so, all around. So I've been knitting around it. It doesn't have any sewing, any stitch. It's just, it doesn't have any seam. It's just yarn and needles, knitting needles. As you can see, even the sleeve has details of like little dots, yarn overs that I've made, and at the top here has yarn overs, and around the décolletage where I increased has yarn overs here with about 2 yarn overs, and it increases whilst producing something beautiful. So I'm going to wash this jumper and wear it for you next time in my next couple of videos, and I hope you like it. So I hope you like this jumper. I hope you like the other jumper. I hope you like this jumper too. This is with a cable knit. It's not really a cable knit, it's more like a cable knit look, but it's made as a stitch, as a pattern. I haven't finished the collar, the V neckline. I haven't finished, but as you can see, the sleeves have one of these cables here, which I love so much. This cable was so nice when I found out about it that I thought I have to make a jumper with this cable. This is the back. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Welcome to my channel, Anna Vanilla Arts, and hopefully you're going to see even more videos about knitting, which I make every single day I knit. So stay tuned for next couple of videos and enjoy tutorials. Thank you. Subscribe.